we're going to take this Porsche 911 Turbo S and give it a complete makeover with a full carbon fiber body kit. Let's go. So we've just finished this full build on this Porsche 911 Turbo S. This car came to us in a stunning Riviera Blue. We did a complete carbon fiber body kit from TopCar Design. Also added Anrky wheels in the AN33 variety with a full gloss black barrel and lip with the matte black face. We also made a few small changes that kind of made a really big impact, like color matching the brake calipers to the Riviera Blue and also adding orange seat belts to kind of really bring out the orange stitching that's there inside the car as well. Now, you might be thinking this is just a fast looking Porsche 911 Turbo S, but you would be sorely mistaken. This car particularly has over 910 horsepower thanks to a Stage 4 tune and a custom exhaust by Soul Performance. Not that a 911 Turbo S is really ever considered a sleeper car, but this Porsche 911 now looks just as fast as it actually is. And to keep all this power on the ground, we upgraded the wheels to a 22-inch Anrky AN33 three-piece wheel, wrapped in these Pilot Sport 4S's that are 335 wide. So a really, really wide tire. Also going with a much larger tire and wheel combination in the back. Really fills up that rear end of the vehicle to just give it that almost looks like a lowered appearance to it, but it's still the stock fitment. So this particular build, they didn't want to go with a lot of the exposed carbon fiber, so we went ahead and color matched everything to the Riviera Blue and the gloss black accents that were already on the car to really just to give it that full OEM look, but just something that looks a little elevated as well. On top of that, then we also obviously had to protect it by installing some new paint protection film on it as well. So if you're looking for the next level in customization for your ride, come see us at IX Exotics, where we're about more than just ownership.